Hey everyone, this is Varsha and I welcome all of you to my channel. So, in today's video, I have chosen a topic which is completely different from what I usually make videos on. So, आज के topic में I am going to talk about something different. That is about style and fashion. So, in this particular video, I am going to tell you all about 8 style and fashion hacks which are very important in order to know and style better. So let's begin. First point is keep the outfit in your head. You should have the whole outfit in your head, including accessories. Before getting a new top or any outfit, ask yourself if you already have something to wear this particular item with. If you immediately come up with 3 to 4 options, go ahead and take it. So the next point is combine basic items with the latest trends. So the next point is combine basic items with the latest trends. So in this, you have to combine basics with some trendy pieces. Adding trends to your basics is a great way to keep your wardrobe stylish, modern and bold. Just add 2 to 3 new trendy pieces every season and your outfits will look up to date and won't cost you a fortune. Like in this, I'm wearing a dark blue cotton shirt and it's a basic outfit, but I made it look trendy by wearing a yellow belt which is highlighting the look of this shirt. Also, to make it more stylish, I tucked the shirt in from one side, so it's looking really attractive. The third point is have different top options for the bottom. So the golden rule for a nice wardrobe says you need to have as many top options as possible for each of your skirts and pants. It's the top item that makes the outfit look different and new, not the bottom one. The fourth point is mix different styles. So the coolest look comes from a tasteful mixture of different styles. It consists of a contrast of colors and different types of fabrics, which makes you look stylish and more elegant. The fifth point is combine casual with formal. One of the most popular trends around the world is to combine formal outfits with casual, sometimes even sporty details. It's the most unique combination you can do for yourself in order to look different. The sixth point is wear your colors to look amazing. Wearing a color that does not suit you close to your face can ruin your whole look. It accentuates skin imperfections and other features you would rather conceal than draw attention to. That's why you absolutely need to know what your colors are and use them in your outfits to look awesome. Seventh point is the total look concept. A total look is a single color ensemble. The best way to wear a total look is to combine different fabrics of the same shade. Another brilliant idea to pull off the total look is to add another color but in small amounts. For example, a bright lip shade with a dark total look concept or a massive earring is a great combination. The eighth and the last point is wear jackets. Jackets effortlessly create a strong look of yours. A nice jacket combined with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt or a skirt will make your look chic and elegant. So guys, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. If you want to see such stuff in future and want to hear me more.